All right, so we're back again here. We're with Jason. We're at the Trotter campus of the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology, based right here in Calgary, Alberta. And where we are is we're out back of the building. We were inside. We saw the classrooms. We talked to a couple of the guys in there. We met some of the students. We got some metal students going through there right now. And me and Jason are out here in the yard. And so Jason, what actually goes on out here? Like, what is this giant structure behind us here?
Well, like we were saying before, we have 3 separate trades within the iron worker profession. This one is focused mostly for the structural students. They disassemble it, reassemble it, make sure that the students are aware of all the safety parameters, everything that needs to be done. Staging areas over here.
Yeah.
When this thing's together, it's got a set of staircases. It's mostly taken apart right now, but here we have a spot, MBSC, we've turned into a C-can for the sheet metal portion.
Yeah, for cladding. MBSC, so you guys actually, so the metal building guys actually had an opportunity to take some cladding off, to put some cladding on and understand about the, the corrugated cladding systems and that right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Do they work alongside of the crane operators when they're taking this stuff apart, or how does that process work?
They do, yeah, they do and they have, yeah.
Yeah?
For sure, they all work together. They do a field level hazard assessment before they start, make sure everybody knows everybody's areas. They all communicate, we have radios.
Yeah.
Everybody's in communication all the time. Yeah. Same thing with our rail conductor guys.
Yeah.
They're on radios all the time too. So
yeah,
because has to be aware of
that's one thing we didn't touch on too much. You actually you teach rail conducting here as well.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that. Like what does that entail here on campus? Like
it's a 12-week program, mostly theory.
Mostly theory?
Yeah, all same as everything. It's all about codes and standards, safety.
Yeah.
Communication.
Keeping it safe.
All key factors, right? The rail community actually has their own language too. It's wild. They have an entire culture, like it's
behind them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a different. I've never really, honestly, it's one of those trades that I've never actually spent time around or anything. I didn't really consider that there was even an apprenticeship program for them, but obviously there is. You guys actually have.
It's actually not an apprenticeship program. It's a credit.
It's a credit program.
Yeah,
oh, really?
It does draw the same demographic of people.
Perfect. And you guys do crane rigging and hoisting out here?
Everything in this yard has a use. You have your reinforcing over here. The crane, I mean, you can see my shafts crane there. We've got, everything has a use. Nothing goes to waste. When we have the yard full of students, this yard gets really small. It looks really big right now. It gets really small.
Yeah, it gets quite
really
busy.
Fast. Yeah.
You guys have some really large cranes, large equipment out here. I think that this is a huge part of it. Being able to go out into the industry, being able to learn from the guys in the field, but then being able to come in here in an environment that's safe, where you grow a different knowledge and a different understandings about the workings of these trades when you come to school, And it's the driving factor behind metal is I want to better people's life. I want everything to be done safely. I want there to be a high level of accuracy and quality in the work that we do and in the buildings that we put up. And in my experience going through SAIT, being an alumni, the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology is world-class. There's probably nobody that does it better than you guys. And we're very grateful for the opportunity to have come in here and to have seen your guys' school. And we look forward to being a big part of SAIT moving forward and having our guys come here.
I look forward to meeting your guys.
Thank you, Jason.
Right on. Thank you.